Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to block the Windows 11 upgrade on Windows 10 PCs. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Windows Update. Click Windows Update for Business. Select the target feature update version. Check Enabled. Type Windows 10. Type 21H1, click Apply, click OK. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.